Let's begin with the Ashtanga Salutation. Inhale up, exhale slowly and keep your hands fixed and then jump back. Exhale and inhale to the cobra. Be on your toes and hands, then to the mountain. Bend at your knees and jump to the forward. And then slowly inhale up, bend at your knees, give a good stretch for your back muscles. Exhale out, again fix your hands on either side of your leg. Jump back. Exhale as you go down. Inhale to the cobra. And then raise your one leg up. A modification in the cobra, a flying cobra. And then go for the other leg. Stretch up. Exhale to the flying cobra. Can move a bit. Back to the mountain. Look at your toes. And then jump to the forward. And inhale up. Let's go for the third round. Again, inhale and stretch. Look up to the ceiling. Exhale. Just tuck in your toes. Pada Angushtasana. Keeping your hands firm. Jump back. Exhale. Inhale. Cobra Bhujangasana. Exhale. Parvatasana. And bend at your knees and then try to sit down. Exhale. Again go back. Indeed a power workout for your core muscles. Jump to the forward. And then Pada Angushtasana. Again we are back to the second position and then first position. Stretch again. Looking up. And jump back. Exhale to the Bhujangasana on the toes. Exhale to the Parvatasana. Then alternate leg jumping. And then back to the mountain. Jump to the forward and sit. Keeping your hands on the side. Try to jump back to the plank and then to the cobra. Try all variations possible. And then you inhale. Hope you have enjoyed the power workout today. Thank you.